Russian Sukhoi Su-25 subsonic jet aircraft designed to provide close air support. The Sukhoi Su-25 is a subsonic, single-seat, twin-engine jet aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Sukhoi. It was designed to provide close air support for the Soviet Army. The first prototype made its maiden flight on February 22, 1975. After testing, the aircraft entered serial production in 1978 in Tbilisi in the Georgian Soviet Socialist Republic. Early variants included the Su-25UB two-seat trainer, Su-25BM for target towing, and Su-25K for export customers. Several aircraft were upgraded to the Su-25SM standard in 2012. The Su-25T and Su-25TM, also known as the Su-39, are further developments, not being produced in significant numbers. The Su-25 and Su-34 are the only armored fixed-wing aircraft produced in 2007. The Su-25 is in service with Russia, other CIS members, and export customers. Su-25 production ended in 2017 in Russia and 2010 in Georgia. Attempts are underway to restart production in Georgia using the partially completed airframe. But as of June 2022, no new deliveries have been reported. Early versions of the Su-25 were fitted with two non-afterburning R95SH turbojets, in compartments on either side of the rear fuselage. The engine, sub-assemblies and surrounding airframe are cooled by air provided by cold air intakes over the engine nacelles. The drainage system collects oil, hydraulic fluid residue and fuel from the engine after flight or after starting. The engine control system allows independent operation of each engine. The latest versions of the Su-25T and TM are equipped with the improved R195 engine. The automatic gun is located in a compartment below the cockpit, mounted on load-bearing beams attached to the cockpit floor and forward fuselage support structure. The nose is equipped with a distinctive twin pitot probe,